Getting a mobile device to vibrate when you want with the web app is quite straightforward. A button, JavaScript code can alert the user to an event, something they need to do, and the demonstration, click me, does it vibrate. The vibration pattern is being triggered here when the button is clicked. On click, we're calling test vibrate. This is where the vibration is set. Window.navigator.vibrate. Now this is followed by a series of numbers. Note the two brackets either side of the list of numbers. The numbers are treated as pairs, the first one being the duration of vibration, the second duration of silence. So it's vibrate, silent, vibrate, silent, vibrate, silent. And then we've got a longer vibration and a longer silence. The pattern is then repeated. You can use patterns like this to produce any vibration pattern that you wish, including Morse code, so that you can have each event uniquely identified by the pattern of vibration.